I just left work. I just 7:30. I just pulled in, backed out, and I was gone. And so I went home, and basically from there, I just said, I got to just get out. I got to get around nature. I just got to think. So went to the park and came home maybe a couple hours later, and my girlfriend at the time, I told her to come on over. And so I was just telling her I got to do something else. So it's maybe indulging too much, but I was sitting on the toilet. I tell the same story. So
we
I believe
breakthroughs in all kinds of places.
So I tell the same story every time, but I was sitting on the toilet and I thought about, when I was playing professional soccer, who cleaned up the stadiums after the games? And I was thinking, maybe I need to do a little research. And so I did research, found out there was no one company or 5 companies that did this on a national level that basically had the whole larger stadiums. And so
is this the same day?
Same day.
This is a big day.
Same big day.
In so many ways.
I remember the day.
But so you not only got the clarity that you had to get back to entrepreneurship, but you got the idea.
The idea. Yep.
So amazing, because it makes me think that, first of all, I think God is amazing the way he wires us, but it's like when we listen and then we ask,
it's so true.
And then the answer comes.
It's so true. God will speak. We just have to listen. He will speak. I'm a firm believer in that. It may not always be in our timing that we want, which is so true.
Yeah,
but
now,
exactly. But he will speak, and we just have to be in a place to listen. So from there, sitting on the toilet, had this idea and did the research and found out, that waste is actually an industry that hasn't had a lot of innovation in the last 20 or 30 years. And so I love innovation. I love bringing value, and that's where that innovation kind of, spends in. And I was willing to put in the hard work. And so...
Okay, so what'd you do? How'd you get your first client?
Oh, my gosh.
I love your name, premium trash, what an oxymoron.
Exactly, and that's why we did
trash,
that.
The first time I met you and you said, I have a company called Premium Trash. It was like an oxymoron.
Exactly.
My brain was trying to get around premium trash.
Yep,
premium
that's why we did that. So our very first client was here in Orlando. And so it was a concert. And so it was probably a 50,000, people, client concert customers. And so
how did you get the client?
How did I get? Oh, I remember. So I was basically just sending flyers out, just cold calling venues, concerts, event promoters, all of that, whole nine, every day. And I was still working actually at the software company, but during lunch I was reading and I was on the phone. And then before, after, this is what I was doing. And it was actually with a porta potty company. So it's the nation's largest porta potty company.
We have a theme going on here.
Yeah. That's true.
This is a strategic relationship.
Yeah, it's true. It's true. And I had a meeting with one of their sales executives, and she believed in me. And then from there, I met with a lady at Winter Park Chamber. She was at the office. She just said I could come on back and meet with her. And then that led to a meeting with the vice president of this organization. And they said, "Hey, Jameson, we believe in you. We believe in your hard work. We'll give you a shot."
And they knew this was your first gig.
We didn't have trash cans. We didn't have people. We had a business LLC, but we had nothing. And they knew that. But I told them, I said, "You give me this shot, I promise you, this event will be the cleanest you've ever seen before." And I've never done janitorial before, not a day in my life. But
picking up trash, how hard can it be? It's picked up
it's just
or
hard
it's not.
work. Exactly. And so that very first again, and I'll never forget, it was downtown Orlando. It was a Cameo concert.
Where was it at?
It was actually on the street in front of the courthouse.
Okay.
So it's a whole block. I mean, the whole block is full. I mean, massive. And so I called my mom, my dad.
Putting friends and family in a whole new perspective.
They're vested. We know about trash now. And so they came down, and then actually some friends who were in the company, the software company I was working for, they believed in me as well and my drive, and they said, "Well, we'll get in there too." And my girlfriend, and we got out there and we cleaned it up, and we rocked since then.